Hey, how you doing? Tonight I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Chevy key fob. This is out of a Chevy Cruze. I'm sure a lot of other Chevys have this exact same key fob. So basically you need two things. One, a screwdriver, preferably a flat blade, and then also a new battery. This takes the Energizer, well, any 2032. And I got this off Amazon. It was about $4 or $5. There's a link below in the description if you need one. So basically what you want to do is on the side where this Chevy symbol is, just push that way. And then that comes off. There's your battery. You can pop it out right here. And take your new battery. Kind of put this in first, press it down. And then this just kind of goes right there. Snap it back in place and you're all set. Easy peasy. Save you a little time and money. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.